drum roll po. Okay, so this award is a very special award. Outstanding Territory North. This Outstanding Territory Award honors the region that has demonstrated exceptional teamwork, organization, and leadership, setting the standard for others to follow. This award goes to none other than Novaliches Central! Deserve! Outstanding Territory North Award to be received by none other than Slip One, Shot Caller, and Ati Snap Council. Ayan! Picture, asan yung trophy? Yes, congratulations! Deserve na deserve!
Kita sa lahat, lahat kami papunta sa